Okay guys, so this is the situation. I'm sitting over here waiting for a load. Got here, I was here first, but anyway, while I'm doing that, might as well make a video about this. So I got the wiper here, and when I turn it on, it's just not spraying where it needs to spray. So check it out. See how it's spraying down on the bottom? Get a little bit on the top, but most of it you lose it right there on the bottom. See that? So I'm not even spraying anymore. Yeah, probably a lot of fluid now. Anyway, but you saw it. So what happened is, like, I went and I checked it out and see what it is, and it's like that stupid thing. It's got a hole in it. So I was thinking, it's like, get a pan like this, take it apart, and MacGyver it with this little tube. I'm hoping, because that size, it's almost about the same size, but that's rubber. Stuck this bad boy in there, and then hopefully fixes my problem until, you know, take it out of the shop, or maybe go to a Volvo dealer and buy the hose, because you can't extend it. You know, that thing is just basically not long enough. Let's put it this way. Alright, so we're back. So what I did, I cut that, opened that pencil, cut a slice out of it, like one of these guys right here. As you can see, it's just a tube, you know, where the color would go through it, the ink. I cut it first, it was like about maybe 2 inches, it was too long. So I cut this again, and you can see, let's see, this is the bad part that I took out. I don't know if this thing is gonna zoom out or not on that. Yeah, you can see, can you see that crack there? So we're spraying right through there, right? So let's see now. There you go. Problem fixed. It's not spraying down on the bottom anymore. And you can see the little, you see the little white splice that I put in there. Get out of there. See it? Right there. So easy fix. I would say, Jay, and just thinking about it, it took longer than actually doing it, and that might be a permanent fix. You know, well, I don't see how that's gonna be. It's probably better than what it was. So if you have this problem where, you know, one of your hoses are busted and you're losing fluid faster, you know, and it's not going where you want it, you know, I mean, if the water would just be here, and I only get some on this side from the other one. So yeah, I hope this helps somebody. All right, take care. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.